Most people think starting a business requires huge money or a perfect plan, but that is exactly why they never start at all. Here's the truth no one tells you. The easiest businesses to start are not online apps or complicated systems. They are simple local service businesses that solve everyday problems. In this video, you will learn 6 simple service businesses you can start today with low investment and fast demand. You will understand how each one works, how people actually get customers, and what makes them profitable. And stick around, because in a minute I'll show you the one mistake that makes beginners quit before they even get their first real client. Let's start with the first idea: cleaning services. Homes, offices, and rentals always need cleaning. The demand is constant. For example, Jake started with just basic supplies and got his first customers from local Facebook groups by offering same-day cleaning. Now here's where it gets interesting. Cleaning works best when you focus on recurring clients, not one-time jobs. Second idea is lawn care. Cutting grass, trimming, and basic yard maintenance is always needed in neighborhoods. John started part-time in his area and quickly built weekly clients just by offering simple, reliable service. But here's the problem. Most beginners wait until they have perfect equipment before starting. That delay kills momentum. Third idea is pressure washing. Driveways, walls, and patios get dirty over time. A basic pressure washer and simple marketing can bring consistent local jobs. Fourth idea is handyman services. Small repairs like furniture assembly, TV mounting, and minor fixes are always in demand. Alex started with just basic tools and built steady income by helping neighbors first. Now here's where most people fail. They try to be perfect at everything instead of just starting with simple jobs they can already do. Fifth idea is junk removal. People constantly need old furniture, appliances, and clutter removed. Jake got early jobs just by posting before and after cleanup photos in community groups. In a minute, I'll show you how all these businesses actually use the same system to get customers without complicated marketing. Sixth idea is window cleaning. It is simple, fast, and visual. A basic setup can bring repeat residential and commercial clients if you deliver consistent results. Now let's connect everything. These businesses all work because they solve local problems. The real skill is not the service itself. It is getting customers fast and building trust in your area. Here's the system. You start by posting in local Facebook groups, creating a Google business profile, and asking early customers for reviews. That alone can bring your first 5 to 10 clients. But here's where it gets even more powerful. Every one of these businesses grows through repeat work and referrals. One good job leads to another if you stay consistent and professional. Now, imagine this. You start with one simple service. You get a few customers. You do a good job. Then referrals start coming in naturally. That is how small service businesses turn into full-time income. So here's the takeaway. You do not need a complicated idea to start a business. You need a simple service, real customers, and consistent effort. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment which business you would start, and subscribe for more practical step-by-step guides that help you build real income from simple ideas.